What's up, guys, and welcome back to Go for Launch Rocketry. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. And if you like content like this, launch videos, unboxings, build videos, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Well, guys, time is definitely flying. This year is going by quicker than I expected. I feel like I just uploaded an unboxing video, and here we are again for the month of April. We have our monthly Launch Lab Rocketry mystery box. So without further ado, I got my X-Acto knife here, and of course it's gonna be fun inside this box. So let's see what Steve has in store for us for the month of April. Go ahead and dig inside. Hope you guys had a good Easter. I know we just had Easter, I believe. Yeah, it was Easter. I just gave y'all my address. So much to hide in it. Alright, let's get this plastic out the way. Let's get straight to the business. Launch Lab Rocketry mystery box. You know the routine. If you enjoyed this as much as we did, please share it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram and tag Launch Lab Rocketry. Thanks, Steve. Steve, I always appreciate it. Okay, I see something old school in there. It's the invoice. Got some Sour Patch Kids, some Skittles. Still feel some more down here. What is this? Some Starburst. Let's get this first one out the way. It's killing me. Oh, okay. We have an OG Estes Cadet. Nice. Let's see, 15 inches in length. Pretty much a 1-inch diameter. Weight 1.125 ounces or 32 grams. Let's see, recommended engines A83, B44. I'm guessing it's going to be a B66 and a C65. Nice. And this is the kit number 1328. Now, this is a very older design. Okay, it has the plastic fin can. Oh, check this nose cone out. It's split. It's in halves. So you have to glue that nose cone together, and of course streamer recovery. That's the Estes Cadet. Plastic out the way. And this looks like another older kit. Man. Okay. This is the Cyclone Flying Model Rocket Kit. See, it's a skill level 1. It flies over 800 feet. Let's see, 12-inch parachute recovery, plastic nose cone, 16 inches in length, 33.5 millimeters. And the engines, let's see, first flight A83, then a B44, B64, B85, and a C65. It's kit number 1907. Oh, Steve knows I love these vintage rockets. This is pretty sweet right here. You can tell it's old. You can see the discoloration on the parachute string. We'll definitely get this built and in the air. Love it, love it. And oh, we got our stickers and our discount coupon. Let's get the box lined up. So we got the Cadet, kit number 1328, and the Cyclone from Estes, kit number 1907. And of course our candies. Can't go without the candies. Boom. And that's it for the month of April, guys. Nice little quick unboxing video for you guys. I'm gonna get this uploaded as soon as possible. We are now back on track with the videos. I know I ran a couple of them back to back. I think that was February and March, but we are now back on track. After this video go up, I have our next lunch video will be out in Gunther. That's the high power lunch site. I have let's see. Well, I'll let y'all wait and see when I get out there. But we have a couple of Max Q rockets I want to get up in the air, and a few other older rockets that need their maiden launch. So appreciate you guys for stopping by. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys at the pad. Peace.